lesson, and today now we will move over to the preventive maintenance. We have done enough practice in the control key PM 01, 03, 05. We have done PM 02 also.
02 no, no.
No?
02 for preventive?
No, 02 for external maintenance, in which
Yeah,
there is
we do it. Excel. You can check the Excel sheet. I remember.
can you okay, going over to the basically where we have reached, we have seen the various, you can say, overall control keys. Control keys primarily decide that they dictate basically how maintenance process is going to proceed. And now we will switch over to the preventive maintenance. And after doing the preventive maintenance, then we will do the complete configuration of plant maintenance. We will convert your plant into maintenance planning plant. And at the end, we are going to run basically front end process. Then after that, reporting in plant maintenance, that what are the reporting regarding the list of capacities, list of work order, list of functional sheets, list of functional location, sorry, not functional sheets, list of basically your equipment, master data, list of the fleet master data, and task list overall, and basically overall list of maintenance order, maintenance notification, and maintenance analysis. There are certain reports we will see. Okay. Today is 17th of June. 5. We are going to do and let me reach over to my master sheet. And in master sheet, now this is very important, and you are going to help me out. Okay. What is primarily preventive maintenance? And you can say, what are the types of preventive maintenance? Okay, now what you can do, have a look at this basically overall paragraph, and then you can explain me. Take about 1 to 2 minutes. And here it is mentioned that how many types we have: time-based, performance-based, and the condition-based.
The preventive maintenance in the beginning is planned ticket maintenance.
Yes,
And
yes,
this
it
three
is planned.
type,
Very good, very good.
yeah. This three type, the time-based, I think the cycle of maintenance plan.
Yes. Maintenance strategy, time-based, it is basically, you can say, measured in terms of days, months, and years. And what is
Yeah.
performance-based or counter-based? Here we are going to measure the running, or you can say operational efficiency of any equipment in terms of hours or kilometer. Why hours? It's not meter. Meter counter, kilometer or hours? Wait. Hours. Time hours. 1 or 2 or 3 hours. And condition-based is primarily, it is based on asset intelligence network. Basically, we have certain sensors in certain equipment, certain machine, and up to, you can say, on certain condition level, maybe when temperature exceeds more than 50 degrees centigrade, when you are in certain snowy area where temperature falls, you can say below 20 degrees centigrade, in minus 20, maybe you can say, and where there is a lot of atmospheric pressure. So, but here we are not going to demonstrate the condition based, because for that purpose, you must have the AIN. What is AIN? AIN is an asset intelligence network. For example, as you say in a machine, you are having, for example, you can say a sensor over there, So it is going to, you are having app on your, you can say mobile phone or cell phone. And when temperature, you can say exceeds 50 degrees centigrade, that sensor from a particular machine is going to give you an indicator that you have to do certain kind of preventive maintenance. What kind of preventive maintenance you can do? Maybe some kind of cooling measures you can do for that particular equipment. You can sprinkle water over it, or for example, you have to maybe provide it more, for example, lubrications, oils, or various greasing equipment for that particular purpose. Understood, brother Amar?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Now, what is the difference between the single cycle plan and the strategic plan? Okay. Let me see. Where is maintenance plan cycle? Oh, okay. Types of preventive maintenance. Now, what is single cycle plan and what is strategy maintenance plan? And can you explain it?
Yes, fine. Strategy maintenance plan.
Uh-huh.
When you create the plan and you have a different category, for example, monthly and 6 month and annual.
Yes,
So you created a strategy for the plan.
good. And
And
in single,
single cycle is a single
um, no,
for the equipment based on
wait. It can be single or multi, it can be both. But what is single cycle plan? Where you can,
is a single for depend the equipment is need monthly or yeah annual
yes.
preventive.
Yes. Now, what is basically single cycle plan? For example, you can say a particular one task or maybe number of tasks, they will be accomplished, you can say, after a particular time. Okay. For example, you say after month, you have to carry out the inspection of equipment. You have to carry out the cleanliness of the equipment. You have to change its oil and lubricants. So after every month, maybe a single task or a set of tasks. But in a single cycle plan, basically, they are going to proceed like this. And what is strategy maintenance plan? Okay. For example, in your vehicle, if you are supposed to change your oil filter and engine oil after the 5,000 kilometer, and at 10,000 kilometer, you have to change your fuel filter. Now, what is going to happen at 10,000 kilometer? Your engine oil and oil filter will also be changed. Means at 10,000 kilometer, the maintenance activities which you have carried out at 5,000 kilometer, they are going to couple with the maintenance cycle which is required at 10,000 kilometer. Understood, Brother Mark?
Yeah, it's clear.
This is strategy maintenance plan. Okay, for example, let's say 20,000, you have to change the brake shoe. Okay, normally it's on 18,000, I think so. At 60,000, or I think so at 40, no, at 45 or 40, 50,000, you have to change the tires. Okay, now what is going to happen? At 20,000 kilometer, engine oil will be changed, oil filter will be changed, fuel filter will be changed, and the brake shoe will be, basically, you can say. You can say it contains set of task list which will be coupled with next task list on maintenance schedule. Maintenance. Let me see, definitions are okay or wrong. Maybe I have written wrong. Single cycle maintenance plan, multitask can be there, but okay, let me make it a single. And strategy maintenance plan, it contains set of task lists which will be coupled with the next task list on a maintenance schedule, and accordingly preventive maintenance will be pursued. Ah, I think so. Now it makes some sense. So list, list. Well, it, it of a particular quantum of time. Strategy maintenance plan, it contains the set of the task list, which will be coupled with the next task list on maintenance schedule, and accordingly, preventive maintenance will be pursued and push forward. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we will move over to the our IDES training server, and what we are going to do, first of all, for example, we create some of the equipment, IE01, and we are going to create its task list, and then we are going to see that how basically it is going to go for the single maintenance plan. Machines is okay. You press enter, and for example, you can say you can take it road ruler for civil engineering. Uh, ENGG. That is basically for required for the construction of roads, or you can say just to streamline or overall make it, you can say, in equilibrium, any of, you can say, ground level, just to maintain the ground level. These are the big, you can say, road roller machine having a weight which moves forward. Okay, now today it's 17th of June 25, and weight and inventory number 009. Move over to the organization, and in organization, our company code is 1010. Okay, for the time being, you can go over to the 0001 is our business area. Our This is our cost center. I am just basically pressing the this space bar key, and it is giving me a legacy data which has been recently used by us, maybe yesterday or day before yesterday. Now coming over to the planning plant, here you can enter your planning plant is PUHK. And planner group, who is the planner group? Let me see. This is the planner group. And here you can enter your work center, which is responsible, for example, as per the BUHQ, how many work center has been created. This is Amar. This is Amar. This is Amar work center. And now going over to the structure and real estate location. Yes. That is location of the equipment. You can enter BUHQ. Oh, the location, no plant section. If some of the plant section is involved, or maybe maintenance plant is divided into plant section, you can enter it over here. Work center, primarily this work center is meant for the production planning. And if you want to enter the work center over here, well and good. Otherwise, there is no. Now you can save it. Now, what we have created a road ruler for civil engineering, and it is equipment number. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to proceed over to IA01 to create a particular task list for this basically road ruler. IA01, for example, you go over here, automatically it has picked up your equipment number because recently we have just created it. Here it is coming the description of the equipment. Here it is the maintenance planning plant, work center responsible, and basically along with the maintenance plan. What is the usage? You can go over to the plant maintenance. Now proceeding over to the planner group, and that is BUHQ planner group, and overall status, it should be released. And what is the system condition or equipment condition? It is in operational condition. It is active. Now go over to the task list. Over to the operation. Sorry. Go over to the operation. Work center is here, plant is here. And for example, you enter PM01, and here you enter inspection. Okay, PM01, and we are going to see that after 1 month, how we are going to do basically the preventive maintenance inspection. You can say, for example, check operational capacity. Basically, overall, it's operational efficiency or of operational capacity. And third, basically, task list you can enter overall. Uh, Calibration can be there, or some kind of, you can say, operational quality checks. Now, what we are going to do, you are going to save it. Okay, what is the T code to create the single cycle plan, that is IP41? Okay, proceed on to the IP41. It is saying maintenance plan category. You can go over to the preventive maintenance. Maintenance order. Okay, press enter, and here it is create single cycle plan. Okay, you enter single cycle plan for road ruler. Okay, press enter. It is saying enter the equipment. Wait for a moment. Let me pull it down, and here you can enter your equipment. What is our equipment? Our equipment which we have recently created, that is the road ruler. Right? Oh, sorry, it is BUH. Okay, it is dozer, and here is the road ruler. Okay, press enter. Now, where put it? Come also. For a moment. Okay, bring it down. And here it is saying this is the maintenance planning plant involved, work center along with the maintenance planning plant. And this is maintenance planner group. This is the work center, and order type. You are going to select basically service order, repair service. It's preventive maintenance. Maintenance order notification, refurbishment, calibration, reactive, proactive, corrective, preventive. I don't know whether preventive is okay. Now here basically, wait for a moment. Now we have entered preventive maintenance, and it is asking that please enter the cycle unit. Okay, go over to the cycle unit. You can enter month or anything. Go over here. You can enter the days also. Okay, go over to the days, and here it is day. Days. Why it is no days? Okay, no problem. Let me see. Enter the days, and for example, you enter 30 days. Means after 30 days, this is the set of cycle which is required to be repeated. And what is the cycle set? You can say that cycle set for 30 days. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, go over to the maintenance plan schedule parameters. Now, here in terms of days, in terms of schedule period, you enter 365 days, means 1 year. Okay, start basically cycle, and when you want that it should start. For example, today is 17th of June, or you can start it for example, if we go over to the month, this is June, we go over to the May, and here basically you enter 17th of May. Maybe you can enter 16th of May. Wait for a moment. 16th of May, 17th, 18th of May. Okay. Means now basically our first schedule, you can say, for the single cycle plan, it is going to start today. And three, basically, we have entered the maintenance activities over there. Now, after call horizon, that call horizon decide that basically after how much time it is going to be started. We can say it is 100% that after 30 days, basically, you can say single cycle plan for these three task lists that is supposed to be done. Okay, after that, go down, and here basically task list. Now go over to the group counter, go for the search, and as per this equipment, here it is a equipment task list, journal task list. Maybe you can uncheck the journal task list, and automatically here comes the basically task list which we have created. And if you want to see, you go over to this display role, and these are the three basically tasks which will be provided after every. Brother Amar, I hope you are understanding. Hello, 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 Brother Amar, hello, 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 Amar, hello, hello, Amar, can you listen me? Hello, 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 Amar, hello, Amar,
Yes,
Amar,
yes.
can you listen me?
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. I
Sorry,
hope,
it was mute.
no, no problem. I hope understanding all the things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, what you are going to do, basically, overall, we have entered the, it is for 1 year, 100% fall horizon, and basically we have entered that it is going to start on 18th of May. Maintenance plan, additional data, here, sort field, you can enter basically planning mechanical work center. You can just enter sort field mean it is showing it is some kind of mechanical work center. And from here, if you go down, you have entered all the details over here. Here is object list item, and you can say if you have to enter some of the material which is required for the maintenance, you can enter it over here. And here is the item location, where it is located and which maintenance plant is responsible for it. Now, what you are going to do, I am going to save it, and we have created maintenance plan 12538. Okay. Now, again, from here, you go over to the maintenance plan change role and press enter. And normally you can say scheduling the maintenance plan T code is IP10, but you can go over from here. You go over from there, and here you go over to the schedule. It's a, should the maintenance plan be saved first? Yes. And now we are over to the schedule maintenance plan. Okay, go over here. And now what you are going to do, you are going to start the calls. It is saying from which date you want to start. It is for 1 year and starting from the 18th of May. Now, here you can see basically first call, it is supposed to be a new call start saved to 17th of June. And if you want to see the schedule, sorry, maintenance plan, here you go. And now you can see it is for 1 year. Starting from 6 months of June 2025, it is going till 2026 July. It is for 1 year. Okay, now what you are going to do, you select this one and release it. It is saying new start save to call, and now you can save it. And now go over to the again IP41. And from here, you are going to go over to the change role. Our single cycle maintenance plan is 125. You go over to the maintenance plan, additional data and schedule call. Now it is saying here is the new start. You select it and go over to the display role. It is going to show you the preventive maintenance order, which is over here. No need to release it. And if you go over to the operations, you can say 1, 2, 3 operations are over here. Okay. Now, what you are going to do, just wait for a minute. You can basically copy your maintenance order number from here. And now it is saying new start call. You can save it. Okay, now go over to the IW32. What is IW32? Primarily, it is, you can say, change maintenance order. And here we will go over to the preventive maintenance order, and it is saying already released. Okay, brother Amar, why it is written release and settlement rule created? Because it is planned maintenance. Because in unplanned maintenance, we used to basically, you can say, release the maintenance order. Go over to the operations, and here three operations are coming: inspection, check operational capacity, and the OPA? No, it was basically operation quality checks. Okay, now what you are going to do, you can save it. And after that, this is saying this is maintenance order along with the maintenance notification, which has been created. Go over to the IW41, and that is, you can say overall, basically order confirmation. Check all parameters and you go over here, continue. And first of all, first operation, and this is for the actual data. You go over here, and for example, it has started on, now its time is 9, 16, 17, 16. It should be some time like 16. For example, you say 18, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 15. It should be 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. Wait for a moment. 17, 18, 19, 20, 18, 19. It must be 1, 8. You can see 10 because it is German time, Central European time zone. For example, it has started on this time and it has finished, you can say on the, you can say enter 18, that is 10, 1500. Now save it, go over to the parameters and here confirmable and go proceed, continue and go for the second operation. Select second operation and it is asking for the date. Press enter. Oh no, it is 17th. And here you can say it is 17th. And here you can enter the time 18:10. And here it is going to finish at 18:15. You can save it. Now go for the third operation. Go over to the parameters, confirmation, and all no open reservation. Go over to the save. And this is your third operation. Go over to the actual data. And for example, you say it has started at 18:10 and it has finished at 18:50. Now you can save it. Now what you are going to do, you will go over to the IW32 preventive maintenance. You will see that what is the overall status of this order. Release, confirm, job finish, no material components are involved. And now what you are going to do, you will go for the TECHO and it has started and time is now 21:35. What is even 21:35? Wait for a moment. For example, you say, and it has started at it has finished at the, you can say, just wait for a moment. Yes. For example, it's 18:50. Okay, continue and confirm it, again confirm it, and now you can go over here. Now again, change maintenance order, and you are going to see the timing over here at 1800 it started and 18:50 it finished. Go over to the operations, and once you will go over to the operations, their dates and overall timing. First operation started at this time 18:10 and finished at this time. Okay, again go over to the IP41, and from here you will go over to the change single cycle plan. Our single cycle plan is 125. Now you go over to the maintain plan schedule call. Now you can say basically new start complete. So basically your first, you can say, single cycle plan call has complete and here status is complete. Brother Amar, any doubt?
Yes, bro. No. It's clear. Because
Wait.
actually today I was doing this practice in my work. I
Oh,
create some maintenance plan.
okay. Good.
Yeah.
First of all, what you are going to do, for example, we have gone over to the IE 01 and we have created an equipment. How much time is left? Okay, 2 minutes on there. Let me complete the maintenance cycle, create equipment. After that, IA01, create, you can say equipment EQPT, that is the task list, or you can also write it PL. Okay, then you will go over to the create single cycle plan, and that is IP41, and you are going to enter all the details over there, and then you are going to schedule single cycle plan. Otherwise, its T code is IP10. IP10. What you are going to do? Then you are going to basically overall complete. What you can say, what we have done. Yes, we have gone over
IW.
to the change IW32, and
Yeah.
was well planned. All the operations were there. We haven't released it already. Just you can say save work order. So work order for the maintenance order. That was IW32. We have gone after that order confirmation. That is IW41. And after that, TECO. After that, business completion,
Yes.
CLSD, something like that close. So how it goes along basically overall, you can say this was the single cycle plan, which we have seen. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will see the strategy maintenance plan, and overall, we will see that how